Now let's go ahead and add in a new plugin. Go to the left and click on Add Plugin. And this is going to open up all of the plugins that are available. In our case, we're looking for one specific plugin to help us build our website. Go to the top and click in. And from here, you'll type in Starter Templates. And you'll see it here. This is the plugin that's going to get us access to those free high-quality templates I told you about earlier. Go ahead and click on Install Now. And activate. And then from here, you'll be brought into the Starter Templates onboarding. The first thing you'll do here is go to the top right and select your page builder. For this video, we'll be working with Elementor, but in some cases, you may not see this appear. If you're having this issue, I'll go ahead and show you how to fix it. Start by going to the bottom and clicking on Exit to Dashboard. Then go to the left-hand side and open up your settings. From here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll find this setting here that says Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates in Starter Templates. In some cases, this may be turned on automatically. And if this option is selected, you'll want to go ahead and turn it off. So make sure that this setting is not selected and click on Save Changes. Now with that done, Elementor should now appear. To get back to Starter Templates, go to Plugins on the left-hand side. And under Starter Templates, click on Get Started. And after that, you'll be brought back into the Starter Templates onboarding here. Once again, go to the top right and select the Elementor Page Builder. And that's going to open up the Starter Templates gallery. If you're looking for a specific type of template, you can search for it here at the top. And they also have some pre-made lists here. I'd recommend taking some time to go through these lists or just scrolling through the home page here and finding a template that sticks out to you. If you see any template with the premium tag in the top right, that means you'll have to pay for it. But if it doesn't have the premium tag, it's completely free to use. I'm going to scroll back up to the top here, and for this video, I'll be going with the Love Nature template. I like how this looks, so I'll click on it. And on the right side, I can get a live look at what the template will look like. I'm able to interact with it and scroll through the website, and I think I really like how this looks. So I'll go ahead and proceed with this. And on the left-hand side, you'll see some other settings here. You can upload your site logo if it's available. You can also change out the font style. And at the bottom, you can change the color palette. I think I'll go with this green option here. I'm happy with these settings, so I'll go down and click on Continue. On the screen here, you'll be able to choose if you want any additional features. The only thing that we really need here is the page builder and the contact form. By default, you may have SEO and search visibility turned on. I don't think I'll need this, so I'm going to go ahead and deselect it. Once you've selected the features that you want for your website, go down and click on Continue. From here, click on I understand, let's go. Then go down and click on Submit and Build My Website. And now Starter Templates is going to go ahead and build your website for you. Let's go ahead and give this a few moments to complete. And now your website has been built for you and it's ready to be accessed. To access your website, just go ahead and click on View Your Website. And then you'll be brought into your website here. You can scroll through just like before and see how everything looks. You can also access the pre-made pages here at the top.